Welcome to this ASP.NET Core PDF Viewer tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to add a signature to a PDF document using the Syncfusion PDF Viewer control. This includes adding handwritten, image, and text signatures using the built-in toolbar, and through programmatic methods, as well as customizing the signature appearance. First, I will open an existing ASP.NET Core PDF Viewer application, which already has the basic setup for the Syncfusion PDF Viewer. If you want to know how to get started with the ASP.NET Core PDF Viewer, check out the video link on the card above or the description below. Now, I run the application. As you can see, the PDF is displayed in the viewer along with the built-in toolbar. Next, I will show how to add a signature using the built-in toolbar. First, click the Add or Edit Annotations button. This opens the secondary toolbar. I click the Add Signature button. It shows two options: Add Signature and Add Initial. Add Signature is used for adding a full signature, and Add Initial is used to place only the initials instead of the full name. I choose the Add Signature option. It opens the Add Signature dialog with three options: Draw, Type, and Upload. The Draw option is used to draw signatures manually. The Type option is used to enter the name or desired signature text. The Upload option uploads an image of the signature from the device. I chose the Draw option. After drawing the signature, click the Create button and tap on the page where the signature is to be placed. Next, to customize the appearance of the signature, I select the signature. In the secondary toolbar, the annotation editing tools such as Change Stroke Color, Change Border Thickness, and Change Opacity will be displayed. I choose the option to change the stroke color. It opens the color palette, and I choose a color. As you can see, the signature's stroke color has changed. Next, let's add a signature using a custom toolbar in the PDF Viewer. I customize the UI by adding a toolbar at the top with a title label and an Add Handwritten Signature button. I disable the Enable Toolbar, enable Navigation Toolbar, and enable Annotation Toolbar properties to hide the built-in toolbar. Then, define an event handler for the button click. Inside this event handler, I retrieve the PDF Viewer instance. To add the signature programmatically, I invoke the Add Annotation method. Then, set the offset property to specify the X and Y coordinates where the signature should be placed. And I set the page number to indicate the page on which the annotation should appear. Next, I set the width and height of the signature annotation. I also set the signature item property to categorize the annotation as a signature. Then, I configure the signature dialog settings and set the display mode to Draw. I also enable the Can Save property to allow the signature to be saved for future use. I set the path, which contains the drawing path used to render the handwritten signature. Finally, I save and run the application. When I click the Add Handwritten Signature button, the signature appears on the page. It is movable and resizable and can be positioned anywhere in the PDF. Next, let me show you how to add the signature as text programmatically. I add a button to insert the signature as text and define its on-click event handler. Inside this handler, I reuse the previous code with a few modifications. I update the offset value to specify the position for the text signature. Then, I change the display mode to text and set the path property to the signature text. I also set the font family to define the appearance of the typed signature. When I click this button, the signature is added to the PDF as text. Lastly, I will show you how to add an image signature to a PDF document. I add a button to insert the signature as an image. and define its on-click event handler. Inside the handler, I reuse the previous code. I change the signature type to initial and set the signature item to initial. I change the settings to initial dialog settings and set the display mode to upload. I then set the path property to image, which contains the base 64 image data. When I click this button, the image signature is added to the PDF. That's a wrap. I have shown you how to add a signature to a PDF document using the Syncfusion ASP.NET Core PDF Viewer control. You can download this working example from the GitHub link in the description below. I have also shared a link where you can learn about obtaining a free license key to use our PDF Viewer SDK if you are eligible for our community license. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.